Hi, my name is Lori and I am here to navigate the world of pastry. Join me in this journey as we uncover the magic of pastry and turn our imagination into reality with enough creativity and heaps of fun. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today's video is going to be slightly different from the other vlogs that I made because today I'm going to teach you how to make a professional Italian meringue buttercream that is silky and smooth and that you can use in every cake decorating needs that you will do. So let's get started. So let's start with the ingredients we need for our Italian meringue buttercream. We'll be needing soft butter. Your butter has to be really nice and soft. It should be at room temperature. Now, if you're doing your Italian meringue buttercream the next day, I would suggest for you to put your butter outside overnight before using it. That way you'll be sure that your butter is really soft. So you can put it in the microwave for 10 to 15 second blasts and then check it with your fingers if it's already soft or not. And once it reaches a soft stage like this, you want to stop right there, otherwise your butter is going to melt. Alright, and it's also very important that the egg whites that you're using is at room temperature. Room temperature egg whites beats up to a foamy stage easier than cold egg whites. So if you don't have room temperature eggs, you can put them in a warm bath just like this one, and in a few minutes they will all be ready. And it's very important as well that you make sure that your mixing bowl is completely clean and dry and free from any grease and from any traces of egg yolks, because those factors is really going to prevent your egg whites from whipping to its full volume. Now for my egg whites, I really like adding a little bit of vinegar. This is 1 teaspoon of vinegar. You can add cream of tartar or lemon juice, basically any citrus that you can add for your egg whites to make it a little bit more stable. So just gonna pop that in. Now our last and final ingredient is our castor sugar or superfine white sugar. So now we're just gonna pour water in our sugar. Now just a reminder, we don't have that exact amount of water that you need to put in your sugar. So as long as the whole of your sugar and all of the grains of the sugar is wet, then that's enough water. You don't want to put too less and you don't want to put too much. Okay, so now that our sugar is done and we have lifted it up from the bottom of our pan, then we can start putting this on a medium to high heat until it starts boiling. You can use a thermometer. It needs to reach at least 118 degrees Celsius to 121 degrees Celsius. While you're boiling your sugar syrup, make sure that the sides of your pot is clean and there's no sugar in it to avoid crystallization. This can be done by using a pastry brush with water. The temperature of the sugar is essential in stabilizing your meringue. This can only be done accurately with the use of a thermometer. If you don't have one, you'll have to look for a soft and stretchy sugar ball after dropping it in cold water. Now turn your mixer to medium-high speed. If you're using a KitchenAid, that would be around the speed of 6, and slowly pour the sugar in, but be very careful at this stage because your sugar is very hot. Now, once all the sugar is in, turn the speed up on high and continue whisking until it reaches room temperature or once the bowl is cool to the touch. And I just cannot stop appreciating how silky and smooth this Italian meringue is. Okay, so I'm just going to transfer my meringue in a bigger bowl because I just realized that this bowl is a little bit too small for me. So I'm just going to The recipe I have given you in this video and in the description box below is half of what I have done here, so do not worry about having a bigger bowl. Now we are going to start slowly adding our soft butter into our Italian meringue using our whisk on high speed. Now at some stage, you'll notice that the mix will likely to split. Do not panic, just trust the process. Continue adding the butter and mixing on the same speed and it will all come together as one silky and smooth mixture. What I can see from this buttercream is that it still has some bubbles inside because we used the whisk. And if you want to get rid of all those bubbles, especially if you want a really smooth finish on your cake, you can swap your whisk with the paddle attachment and then start mixing it for maybe 3 to 5 minutes on low to medium speed until all the bubbles are gone. Whew. Alright, so guys, after mixing it with the paddle, most of the air bubbles are gone. So you'll end up with a silky and smooth Italian meringue buttercream, and it's perfect for any cake decoration that you will do because you can definitely put any flavor you want, from chocolate to fruit flavor to caramel. To keep your buttercream in, you can use airtight containers, or I like using this Ziploc bags. I bought this one for like $9 for 500 bags, and when I'm at home and doing my buttercream, I just keep them here, push all the air out, seal it, and keep it in the fridge. It can last from 5 to 7 days depending on the temperature of your fridge. And you can also use vacuum packed bags. That's also really good. You can keep your buttercream for a week or 2. So I hope I was able to help you guys today, and I'll see you on my next vlog. It's going to be Father's Day in the Philippines in a few weeks, and I'm going to make a very special cake for all the fathers in the world, and I'll see you again. Thank you so much.